You're looking at the book? Okay, what do you see? What's that? Tomato. What's that? Apple. What's that? Vroom, vroom. What are those? Shoe. Yeah. Banana. What else? What's that? Duck. Juice. Yeah. And a teapot. What's that? Tweet, tweet. What's this? Flower. What's that?
Boom.
Yeah. What's this right here?
Boom.
Sun. Tweet, tweet. What's this?
Burger.
Yeah. Fish. Yeah.
Rabbit.
What do you see?
Rabbit.
What's? Oh, that's a flower. Yeah. What's that? Sock. What's that?
Fish.
Fish. What's this?
Rabbit.
What's that? Juice. Ooh, what's on this page? What's that? A leaf. What's this? You want to turn the leaf colors? Leaf. What's this? Fitch, what's this? Grandpa has a tractor. What's this? Frog. What are these? They're green beans, but they're peas. Peas. Bear. What's that? Hi, bear. What's this? Grape. What's that? What's that? Rocks. What's that? Doggy. Woof, woof. What are these? What are all these? Balls. Yeah. Baby. What's that? Flower.
Raining.
It's raining. That's right.